Soft, pillowy, squishy, beautiful golden brown and delicious buttery, and I'm sure they'll become a favorite in your home. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. To a stand mixer bowl, simply combine the all-purpose flour, sugar, instant yeast, and milk powder. I usually add salt after this to avoid the salt coming into direct contact with the yeast. Now pour in the salt along with milk and eggs. On medium speed, mix until everything has come together into one mass. Give a little scrap down the sides if anything sticks. Then add in the unsalted butter and knead again on medium-low speed until the dough is smooth and elastic for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you knead it by hand, it may take longer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into a smooth ball. Add some oil to the clean bowl. Place the dough in the bowl smooth side up. Cover and let it rise until doubled in size for about 1.5 hours. After an hour, the dough has risen and become plump, airy and beautifully smooth. Now my favorite part of bread making. I get to punch down and deflate the dough in the bowl. Then shape the dough into a ball. Thoroughly pat down the dough to evenly deflate it. And then roll the dough out on a lightly floured surface into a large circle about 35 cm diameter. Try to keep dough as much of an even thickness as possible. Spread circle of dough evenly with 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And then I will divide the dough into 12 equal portions. Cut circle into 4 equal quarters first. Then each quarter into 3 wedges. Just imagine cutting pizza slices or pie slices. Roll each wedge up, beginning on white edge. Transfer roll to a greased rectangular pan lined with parchment paper. The tip of the roll wedge should be tucked on the bottom. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rise again until plump and airy and about doubled in size, about 45 minutes to 1 hour. During the last 15 minutes of proofing time, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius with the rack in the center of the oven. Remove plastic wrap and bake rolls in the preheated oven for 25 minutes until golden brown. Immediately while the buns are still hot from the oven, press all over with butter. The melted butter will soak right in, softening the crust, make it shinier, and add richness to the rolls. Let it cool completely on the cooling rack. And there you go, my super soft chewy dinner rolls. These buns are delightfully soft and squishy. They can be frozen and are the perfect accompaniment to any meal. Lightly sweet, milky in flavor. The texture is perfect balance of soft yet satisfyingly chewy. You can have these rolls either sweet or savory. They are so versatile. I love to pair it with my favorite strawberry jam. So good. The rolls are great while still warm, but will also keep for days. I hope you will give it a try. And if you do, please comment below and let me know how it goes. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again for joining me on another week of Bamboo's Kitchen. And I hope to see you again very soon. Bye guys!